Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our 3D embossing folder bundle that'll be featured on HSN on May 2nd. Our 3D technology has really taken embossing to a whole new level, so let's take a look at the different designs that are included. First, we have an all-over pattern that is a cobblestone. It creates a beautiful natural texture. Next up, we have our tropical leaves. This is a beautiful compilation of leaves layered on top of each other. This is an all-over geometric pattern, but it suits itself perfectly to decorate for pineapples. This is a beautiful all-over woven texture that kind of imitates a basket look or anything hand woven. And finally, we have this beautiful all-over botanical design of flowers and leaves and swirls. Now, some of the projects that you can make with these are this pineapple box. You can see how lovely that pineapple texture translated onto the paper, and we just glued it onto the box for a perfect little home decor piece. And over here we can take a look at what a wonderful card base these 3D embossing folders make. Look at how beautiful the tropical leaves are after you just apply a little bit of ink. Here we have the botanical flowers with a little bit of black ink applied on the raised parts. And finally, we have a combination of our tropical leaves topped with our pineapple embossing folder to make a beautiful bookmark. So these will all be featured on HSN on May 2nd. Please join us to take your 3D embossing to a brand new level.